is Jalen and I'll walk you through the process of creating system users. In Ewity, you can add multiple users. So to create a new one, you can go ahead and select admin from side menu, and from there select users and click on the new user button here and enter the name of your employee, username, email and password assigned for the user, for example Bobby, and a username as well, and an email. You can also create your own password here. After filling out all of this information, you can go ahead and click on this create option here. And congratulations, you've successfully created a new user in Ewity. Thank you for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.